Is your 2013-2019 Nissan Versa key fob not working reliably? A dead or weak battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective solution, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit, which typically costs $50 to $100. This video will guide you through the process step by step. For replacing the key fob battery in your 2013-2019 Nissan Versa, you'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is the standard battery type for these models, providing reliable power for the remote functions. While some users have reported that CR1620 batteries work as an alternative, always prioritize CR2032 or verify with your owner's manual to ensure compatibility and avoid potential issues. For tools, gather a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to carefully open the key fob casing without causing damage. Optional tools include tweezers for handling the battery and alcohol swabs for cleaning any corroded contacts if needed. Locate the small notch or seam on the side of your Nissan Versa key fob. This is where you'll find the seam to pry open. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the notch. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the casing. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic. Inspect the metal contacts inside the key fob for any signs of corrosion. If you see corrosion, gently clean the contacts with an alcohol swab. This will ensure a good connection with the new battery and improve the fob's performance. Now for step 4, carefully insert the new CR2032 battery into the key fob. Ensure the positive side, marked with a plus symbol, faces upward to match the original orientation. This 3-volt lithium coin cell must be securely seated in its compartment to ensure proper contact and function.